is a morning prayer, leaving London town. Left someone I love back there. My sweetie loves the rain on the cobblestones, streaking down the window pane. And I love her, please make sure she's warm. Tell her I am coming home. Yeah, but there's another land, and it's calling me. They say that country makes the man, but I still see her turn away through the salty air. It's her to whom I kneel and pray. And I love her, please make sure she's warm. I don't know when I'm coming home. Sometimes late at night, I can't find the fight. I can't remember why I came. And I'm sorry, please make sure she's warm. I don't know